Welcome to our channel. Today's topic revolves around sardines. We will talk about what they are, their nutritional benefits, and how to incorporate them into your diet. So let's dive right in. First, what are sardines? Well, sardines are small, oily fish that typically grow to around 7 inches long. They are found in schools or large groups in the open ocean waters all over the world. These little fish are not only a popular choice among fishermen due to their abundance, but also among health enthusiasts because of their rich nutrient profile. Sardines are considered to be a highly nutritious food. This is mainly due to their high protein content, healthy fats, and an array of vitamins and minerals. In fact, just 3 ounces of sardines can provide approximately 13 grams of protein, which is comparable to the protein content of foods like chicken breast and lean beef. This makes them an excellent option for those looking to increase their protein intake without consuming larger quantities of meat. And the best part, unlike many other protein sources, sardines are low in saturated fat, making them a heart-healthy choice. When it comes to their protein quality, sardines are not only abundant, but also provide all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes them a complete protein source crucial for various bodily functions such as tissue repair, muscle growth, and enzyme production. Furthermore, these small fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to numerous health benefits. These healthy fats make up around 14% of the total calories in sardines, providing approximately 900 mirrors per serving. This amount is significantly higher than the recommended daily intake of omega-3s for adults, highlighting the incredible nutritional density of sardines. The omega-3s in sardines play a vital role in brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, sardines are an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamin D, providing around 200 IU per serving, which is essential for bone health and immune function. Sardines also contain good amounts of calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all important for maintaining proper bodily functions. The presence of these nutrients further solidifies the status of sardines as a superfood, making them a must-have addition to a balanced diet. Now, let's delve deeper into the health benefits associated with incorporating sardines into your daily meals. First, we will explore their impact on the heart. Sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a significant role in maintaining cardiovascular health. The omega-3s in sardines help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of developing heart disease. By including sardines in your diet, you can enjoy these heart-protective benefits while also getting a good dose of high-quality protein. Omega-3s also contribute to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, making sardines an excellent choice for individuals concerned about diabetes or insulin resistance. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3s regularly can improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Therefore, adding sardines to your meals can be a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood sugar management. Furthermore, the omega-3s in sardines have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit those with rheumatoid arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3s can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness, leading to improved mobility and overall well-being. By including sardines in your diet, you can harness these natural anti-inflammatory properties and potentially reduce arthritis symptoms. Next, let's discuss the cognitive benefits of sardines. The omega-3 fatty acids in sardines are crucial for brain health and cognitive function. These healthy fats are vital for proper brain development and can help maintain cognitive abilities as we age. Studies have shown that consuming enough omega-3s can improve memory, focus, and overall brain performance. By incorporating sardines into your daily meals, you can provide your brain with the necessary nutrients to stay sharp and focused. Additionally, sardines are a great source of vitamin D, which plays a role in supporting cognitive health. Vitamin D has been linked to improved mood and reduced cognitive decline, making it an essential nutrient for maintaining overall brain function. The combination of omega-3s and vitamin D in sardines makes them a powerful duo for supporting optimal cognitive performance. Furthermore, the protein content of sardines is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Sardines provide a good amount of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are vital for bone health. The protein in sardines helps with the absorption of calcium, ensuring that your body can utilize this mineral effectively for strong bones. Including sardines in your diet can help meet your daily requirements for bone-building nutrients, contributing to healthier and stronger bones. Finally, we must not forget about the environmental benefits of choosing sardines. As a sustainable seafood option, sardines are a planet-friendly choice. They have a low carbon footprint and are generally caught using methods that do not harm the ecosystem. Choosing sardines not only benefits your health, but also supports responsible fishing practices and the preservation of marine ecosystems. By making sardines a part of your diet, you can feel good about your food choices and their impact on the environment. Incorporating sardines into your diet is easier than you might think. Their mild flavor and soft texture make them versatile for various recipes. You can start by trying canned sardines, which are readily available and convenient. Simply open a can, drain the oil, and enjoy the sardines as they are with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. For those who prefer a more adventurous approach, fresh or grilled sardines are equally delicious. Fresh sardines can be found at your local fish market and can be prepared by grilling, baking, or pan-frying. The delicate, slightly salty taste of cooked sardines can be enjoyed on its own, or incorporated into salads, sandwiches, or wraps. Grilled sardines are not only tasty but also make for a fantastic appetizer. To make grilled sardines, preheat your grill to medium heat, brush the sardines with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Grill the sardines for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are cooked through. You can serve the grilled sardines hot with a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or dill. For a unique flavor, try grilling the sardines with garlic and lemon peel. The combination of smoky char and citrus will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Remember to maintain food safety standards when handling raw fish and always ensure that your seafood is cooked to the recommended internal temperature. To enhance the taste of sardines, you can experiment with different marinades and seasonings. A simple marinade made with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs can add a burst of flavor to the sardines. You can also try a spicy marinade for a kick or a sweet and tangy glaze for a barbecue flavor. The possibilities are endless. If you're feeling creative, you can even make sardine burgers or cakes. Sardine cakes are a delicious and nutritious way to use sardines. Combine mashed sardines with breadcrumbs, egg, onion, and seasoning. Form the mixture into patties and pan-fry them until golden brown and cooked through. Serve the sardine cakes with a side of salad or grilled vegetables for a satisfying meal. If you find the idea of eating sardines off-putting, start by trying them in small quantities and gradually increase the amount as your palate adjusts to their flavor. It may take some time, but with persistence, you can develop a liking for sardines. Many people who initially had reservations about eating sardines end up enjoying them once they give them a fair chance. You never know, you might even find yourself becoming a fan of these little fish. Sardines are truly a remarkable superfood, offering an abundance of health benefits, including improved heart health, cognitive function, and bone health, as well as a delicious addition to any diet. Whether you choose to enjoy them straight from the can, grilled, or incorporated into various recipes, sardines are a versatile and nutritious choice. So next time you're at the grocery store, why not give sardines a try? Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe to show your support. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they too can discover the amazing benefits of sardines. Stay healthy, eat smart, and make sardines a part of your nutritious journey.